Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together they make this world a beautiful garden. A very good morning to all flowers there. Children, today we are going to learn a new color. You might be thinking what that color is, isn't it? Yes, the color that we are going to learn today is green. Now, how do we spell the word green? G R E E N. Green. Now, shall we look at few examples that you're very familiar with? Come on, let's start with some fruits. Look at the screen, children. What can you find on the screen? Yes, it's a green apple. And what's the color of this apple? Green. What is the color? Green. Now, moving on to the next fruit. Guava. Now, what's the color of the guava? Yes, it's green in color. The green color, guava. Now, shall we look at two vegetables? Come on. Capsicum. Capsicum. What's the color of the capsicum? Yes, it's green in color. Isn't it? Green capsicum. Now, the cucumber. What is it? Cucumber. The cucumber is also green in color. Now, moving to the nature. What are the things that you can see green in color? Yes, the trees are green in color. Isn't it? What about the leaves? Yes, the leaves are also green in color. What about the grasses? Yes, the grasses are also green in color, which makes the whole surrounding greenery. Now, moving on to a few more examples. Look at the cup, children. What is the color of the cup? Yes, it's green color cup. Isn't it? Now, the next image, a chair. Now, what's the color of the chair? Yes, it is green color chair. Now, look what's coming up next. A bunch of green balloons. A bunch of green balloons. Look at the screen, children. What can you find on the screen? Yes, some green colored bangles. Isn't it? The color of these bangles are green in color. What's the color of the parrot? Yes, it's a green color parrot. And now, what about the caterpillar? Yes, it's green in color. Isn't it? Now, shall we have a look at few pulses? Look at the screen. What about the green gram? You all know what is green gram? Yes, cherubim. What is the color of it? Yes, it is green in color. Isn't it? And now tell me, what's the color of green peas? Yes, even the color of green peas is green in color. Now children, are you able to identify the objects that are green in color? Shall we move on to the activities of color green? Children, let's start with the activities of color green. So the first activity says that we need to color two images shown in the book with green in color. First is the leaf and second is the book. So shall we first color the leaf in green? Children, with this, we have finished one image. Now, let's color the book in green. Now, I have completed coloring both the images, leaf and book. Moving on to the next activity, there are few pictures given there. Now, out of these, we need to identify the green colored images and then circle it. Let's look the images that are green in color. What is the first image that you can see? Yes, it's a frog, isn't it? What's the color of the frog? Yes, it's green in color. So, shall we circle it? Come on, let's circle the green colored frog. Moving on to the next image. What is it? Yes, it's a cricket bat. Now, what's the color of the cricket bat? Is it green in color? No, it's brown and blue. So, are we supposed to color it? No. Moving on to the next image. Yes, it's a leaf, isn't it? Now tell me, what's the color of the leaf? Correct, it's green color. So, shall we circle the green colored leaf? Moving on to the next image. Yes, it's the green peas. The name itself has the color of it. Yes, it's green in color. Let's circle the green peas. Moving on to the next image. Yes, the cucumber. Now, tell me, what's the color of the cucumber? Yes, it is green in color. So then, what we are supposed to do? Circle it. So come on, let's circle the cucumber. The last image, the apple. Here, what's the color of the apple? Is it a green apple? No, it's a red colored apple, isn't it? So we are supposed to put a circle on it? No, we need not circle on it. Now, we have completed the textual activities of green and hope all of you have clearly understood the color green and the objects that are green in color. So meet you in the next session with a new number.